Balsam plants are relatively easy to care for, thriving in moist, well-drained soil and partial shade. They need consistent watering, especially in containers, and benefit from a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Regular pruning can encourage bushier growth, and deadheading will prevent unwanted self-seeding. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Sunlight and location. Balsam plants prefer partial shade to full sun, but can tolerate some morning sun. Avoid intense afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Indoor balsams need bright, indirect light, less than a foot from a window. 2. Soil and watering. Balsam thrives in well-drained, fertile soil. Amend the soil with compost before planting. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water more frequently in containers and hanging baskets. Mulch can help retain moisture and prevent the soil from drying out. 3. Fertilizing. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks, avoiding the dormant season. 4. Pruning and deadheading. Pinching back the center when the plant is about 4 inches tall encourages branching. Deadheading, removing spent flowers, prevents self-seeding and keeps the plant looking tidy. 5. Seed saving. If you want to collect seeds, allow the seed pods to dry and store them in a cool, dark place. Be careful when collecting, as the pods can burst open and release seeds. 6. Other considerations. Balsam is frost-tender and will die off with cold weather. Move potted plants indoors to protect them from frost. Balsam can be susceptible to powdery mildew, so water from below if possible. This video provides a comprehensive guide on growing and caring for balsam flowers.